I'm gonna do the Chubby Bunny challenge. Chubby Bunny.
You have tiny
Chubby
marshmallows.
Bunny. Sorry, Chubby Bunny.
You're just
Chubby Bunny.
You're just gonna keep sticking them in your mouth until you
Chubby
can't
Bunny.
say oh, okay, never mind.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Well, it's because you have tiny marshmallows.
Chubby Bunny.
Because you have tiny marshmallows, you
Chubby
can say it so
Bunny.
much.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Oh, it's starting to get a bit difficult. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
How many of those have you eaten?
I don't know. I have like 30 of them in my mouth.
No, you
I have
don't.
a big mouth. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. It's just gonna be difficult to eat.
You know, I
Chubby
just
Bunny.
looked at the cat.
Chubby Bunny.
You know, I just turned the camera to the cat for some reason.
Chubby Bunny. What's the cat?
I don't know. She's gone.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
You said Chinese
Chubby
puppy.
Bunny.
You have a really big mouth.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
You ate like the wagons.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby
Bye.
Bunny. Chubby Bunny. I said,
You can't do it anymore? Oh, you're still gone? Okay, okay.